So guys, you're welcome to today's video on this channel. Here is another opportunity to earn from SuperEx. As my usual activities, I bring to you benefit on this platform, different way to earn from SuperEx. So if you have not been many on this platform, if you have not been cashing out on this platform, it means you are really missing out. So in this video guys, I'll give you another important update where you're going to earn from this platform, and this information was released 24 hours ago. Future trading showdown is live on SuperEx. This is amazing benefit to earn from this platform. You have a chance, or you stand a chance to win from this 10,000 USDT volume, which is very simple, and it starts from April 14 to April 24, and it's 10 good days to earn from this platform. So all I have to do guys is to watch this video today so that you position yourself to earn from this platform. First of all guys, you must have an account with SuperEx. Creating an account on SuperEx is very simple. It's one of the leading crypto exchange that have been used, and I'm still using it because it do very fine. Once you click on the link in the video description, the link is also in our Telegram channel. Once you click on that link, it brings you to a page, provide you sign up. Registration is very simple on SuperEx. Then once you do that, then verify your account, and verification is very simple on SuperEx. Now that I verify your account, the next thing is to add your USDT to this platform. Doing so is very simple. You can send your USDT to any wallet to this platform. Tap on the asset button. Under asset button, tap on deposit. Or tap on deposit, you can search for USDT, or you tap on this button to bring in USDT to this platform. You send your USDT to any of these chain here. Now that USDT has been sent to this platform, then you are good to go. We have to engage on official tradings on this platform, which is very simple. Now that I've done that, the next thing you have to do is to come back to this trading button, tap on it. Once tap on it, you have different options here. Tap on hold like this. So it comes up like this. You have to select from future or spot, because we are interested in trading on future trading. Tap on future trading. Tap on that future trading, comes up like this. Now guys, this video is for educational purpose, not a financial advice video. Come over to this place where you see BTC USDT. Tap on that button and select your trading pairs. You have series of trading pairs from this place. You can see you have lots of them. You can select from any of these that you want to trade. So for the sake of this video, I will still also make use BTC USDT as my trading pair in this video. Now the next thing you have to do is to come back to this button where you see isolated. Tap on the arrow at the front. Make sure that you choose the isolated. The benefit of isolated is that it only trades the specified amount you have on your trading wallet, so that all of that asset you have on your account is secure and safe. Now the next thing is to come over to this where you see 5x. Tap on the arrow here to select the leverages. Guys, I always encourage my followers to trade between 3x to 5x. You may ask, so what is leverages? For example, if you are trading say 200 USDT and you are on 5x, so the system will multiply it by 5. That is 1,000 USDT. So your commission is based on that. And if the market is going against you, your loss is also based on that. Now that I've done that, you come over to this place where you see limit. Tap on it. You have option here. We have limit, market, stop loss, and stop market. But guys, I will always enjoy to talk about limit and market. Let me talk about market first. Market means that you're going to buy any token on this future trading using the current price of this token. And here is the current price of this token, where you see it's 3.83,026.6 is the current price of BTC. Now you enter the amount of USD you want to invest into this place, or you drag this to enter the amounts. From the amount you have, then you tap on open long or open short. I will also explain open long and open short in this video. Now that I've done that, that is on market. If you tap on the arrow again, you're going to select limit. Limit is a bit different, but it's super easy and great one, guys, to earn from this platform. On limit, guys, it gives you the chance to enter the market at your convenient price. If you take a look at this place, we have the Bitcoin market price to be 3,818 plus some cents. So the amount you want to enter the market, you can manually enter that by tapping on this plus sign or minus sign here, or you can tap here, guys, and manually enter the amount you want to the price you want to enter the market into this place, then the amount of USDT you want to invest, you enter it here. Then you can as well, you manually enter the amount into this place. Then you tap on open long or open short. So when the price fall to your prediction or to your specified price, the system will trigger your order. Now let me talk about long and short. In cryptocurrency, these particular two words are common, long and short, and they always come with green color and red color. The green color tells you that the price of any token is rising. If you predict that the price of BTC will keep increasing, you tap on open long, and if you predict that the price will keep falling, you tap on open short. Now, how do you make your money from open long and open short? If you predict that the price of BTC will increase and you place another on open short, as the price keep increasing, you start making money. And if you predict that the price will start falling, and luckily for you, your prediction was right and the price keep falling, you make money. But if the price against your prediction, for example, you predict that the price of BTC will start picking up from this price, and lo and behold, it starts keeping coming down, then you're losing money. So that is how to make money on this platform. So guys, that is all the simple information you have to know on how to make money on SuperEx using this amazing feature showdown on the platform. If you enjoyed this tip and if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.